welcome to my channel Mama Bear and Baby. This video is super special. We all are quarantined and with the extra added stress and anxiety of COVID-19 and pregnancy, I decided to do something that makes me happy and I'm sure it'll help you guys too. So as you can see, this is my first ever attempt at pregnancy belly art. I went through so many pictures and so many photos online, and this is something which I thought it symbolizes and just sums up together this last trimester that has been so special but also stressful at the same time. But the good news is that you too can beat those quarantine blues by taking some time out, some me time for yourself and for your baby bump, and indulge in some baby belly art. You can use any organic paint or any organic makeup product that you have that doesn't have any parabens, any minerals, any sulfates. So basically any products that you have that are organic, go ahead and feel free to use them. I have so many favorite organic makeup products that I've been using, and I've switched over to them since I got pregnant. So here's how you can get this belly pregnancy art for yourself.
So let's get on with this peekaboo baby belly art. I'm gonna start by drawing a cute nose and also draw borders that symbolize a gateway into your world that the baby can't wait to be a part of. I've used organic kajal pencils plus liners to darken the edges, and you can use any organic colors as well if you prefer. I've mixed and added a hint of pink and brown lip liners to carve out the perfect baby mouth. In case you're not happy with the sketch or the drawing, you can always reach out to your micellar water to wipe it off and start afresh. As I darkened those baby eyes, I decided to also add a hint of blue eyeshadow just to pop those eyes a bit more. Post which I also used a blue eyeliner to trace out the edges. So Mama Bears, just go crazy with your creativity and draw what symbolizes your baby bond or mood at the moment. I've also added green eyeshadow on the sides along with a zipper effect for some contrast and an almost eager and ready baby avo who's as excited to meet us as we are.
I'm going to try and link all the products that I use in the description box, that it's easier for you guys to check it out. But also don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and come back here for some Mama Bear and Baby love.